Come test drive the 2022 Outlander Sport. The all-new Outlander Sport features a fuel-efficient engine paired to either a 5-speed manual or a continuously variable transmission and comfortable accommodations for 5. Passengers will be treated to a refined ride in comfortable surroundings with a host of welcome features. This vehicle has less than 70,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rain-sensing wipers, rear spoiler, heated mirrors, alloy wheels, remote keyless entry, fog lights, 4-wheel disc brakes, speed control, electronic stability control, brake assist. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood. So call or drop in for a test drive today.